Does this sound like you? I don't have time for social media. I lack creativity. I'm not comfortable in front of the camera. I don't know what to post. If so, you're not alone. But where the best will separate from the rest are the ones who find a solution to their objections. And I know what you're thinking. Can't I just hire someone to do this for me? Well, I have good news and bad news. Let's start with the bad. You can only delegate some of this if you want to be successful. If someone is posting or creating on your behalf, it will look and feel unauthentic and it will not work. Now for the good news. If you're willing to put in the work, be on camera, and do some of your posting, we have a solution for you. Tristan Almada and I founded Drunk on Social to be the resource for all things social media. News, strategies, trends, interviews, ideas, and now coaching and social management. We offer solutions from group coaching to learn and be inspired amongst your peers, all the way to immersive packages where we manage, coach, teach, edit, create, caption, and many more options depending on your needs. We will take you from social media and video novice immediately to the front of the class, essentially giving you a media team for a fraction of the cost and time that it would take you to build this on your own. Align with the people who are living and breathing this and grow your business and brand to levels you never imagined.